In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Affirm to bank account 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move funds from your Affirm money account to your bank, whether you prefer using the Affirm app or affirm.com. First, open the Affirm app on your phone or go to affirm.com in a browser and sign in. Make sure you're logging in on a secure connection and that your app is up to date. That helps avoid sign-in hiccups. Once you're in, head to the Money section. This is where your Affirm money balance and tools for managing it live. Inside Money, choose Withdraw. This is the option that moves money out of your Affirm money account to a bank you've linked. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Take a moment to double check the number, especially if you're moving most of your balance, so you don't accidentally transfer too much or too little. If you're planning another payment soon, leave enough in your balance to cover it. Next, pick the bank account you want to send the money to. If you've linked one before, you'll see it here and you can select it. If you need a different account, choose the option to link a new one. You'll be guided through connecting your bank securely. Depending on your bank, Affirm may verify the account instantly or ask for a quick confirmation. Keeping your bank's login details handy speeds this up. After selecting your destination account, tap Continue. You'll see a summary of the transfer, the amount, the bank you chose, and where the funds are coming from. Review everything carefully. When it all looks right, submit the transfer in the app or confirm it on the website. Once you initiate the withdrawal, transfers typically take 1 to 5 business days to arrive. Timing can vary depending on your bank's processing schedule, weekends, and holidays. If you don't see the funds after 5 business days, it's a good idea to check your bank's pending activity and then revisit your Affirm transfer details. Keep in mind there may be transaction limits that apply to withdrawals. If you're moving a large amount or you run into an error, check the limits information in the Affirm Help Center. And if you need assistance at any point, maybe a transfer is delayed or a bank link didn't go through, use the Contact Us option in the app or on the Help Center page to get support. That's all there is to it. Sign in, go to Money, choose Withdraw, confirm the amount and the bank, and submit. Follow these steps, and your money will be on its way.